the GoLo being a single pass process operating at very low temperatures due to vacuum operation, it does produce better quality end product than some of the older technologies out there. A lot of the wines that are produced on GoLo are winning awards globally, and I don't think that's a fluke. I think that's a reflection of the technology as well as winemaking techniques now taking into account the de-alc technology.
What we found is that the quality of the output of the GoLo was improved. There was less of an underlying cooked character that we normally have to mask with our wine flavour, and in the products that we make we don't have a lot of flavour to play with in the first place, so removing that cooked character underneath really allowed the flavour that we do have to shine.
What GoLo is really good at is capturing the volatiles that come off first in the process. For different wines this looks a little bit different, but the end product keeps you closer to the original wine. Red wines tend to be a bit more challenging because their character comes more from phenolics and tannins than really the volatile components, where white wines are a bit easier because they have more volatile components that come off in the aroma fraction, and the original nose can be restored a lot easier.
I find with the GoLo plant we have more of that heart character of the red wine, which it was typically missing from older technologies. It was all sort of just red berry and cherry and kind of slightly sour red fruit. We're starting to get more of that dark, richer, plummy fruit and some of those chocolate characters and just a bit of that mid-palate complexity. So our reds have really taken a leap.
Sparkling wines tend to be the most forgiving. The gap between the end product and the initial product is a lot smaller, and carbonation really helps restore that original mouthfeel. When customers are deciding on the de-alcoholization equipment they want to invest in, it often doesn't just come down to price. It also comes down to the quality of the end product that's delivered, as well as the team of people that you're working with. I feel that we hit the mark on those two really well.
The Logichem team have been fantastic, a great bunch of guys, really easy to talk to, really easy to ask questions. They work really collaboratively. It's not just a product you're buying off the shelf, it's very much they'll help tailor it to your site, your process and what you want to achieve out of it. So yeah, they've been fantastic.